Hi, welcome to my first Christmas DIY. So today I'm going to show you how I make some really cute, easy, simple, affordable DIY Christmas gift tags using products from the Dollar Tree. Okay, so for the very first super simple DIY Christmas tag using Dollar Tree products, we have the glittered foam shapes from Dollar Tree. You get 12 of these in this bag here. As you can see, I've already opened it up, but this is so easy. You will also need a hole punch. This one is just a circle, but obviously you could use whatever shape you want. Also going to need a glue stick. And then some pretty ribbon to tie around it. The thinner the better. I'm using ribbon that's 5/8 of an inch, but you could use ribbon even smaller than that. And then you're going to need some scissors. Any scissors, obviously. And some cardstock. Any color would work, but I do recommend a lighter color so that you can see whatever note you write on your gift. So the first thing that we're going to do is put some glue on the back of our foam shapes. Okay, so the next step for this one is to take some cardstock, or rather to take your foam shape and to glue it onto some cardstock to give it some stability. I'm just using white cardstock, pressing it on there. Now taking some scissors, cut out your shape. So the next thing you're going to need to do after you cut out your shape of a snowflake is just take your hole punch and punch a hole. Once you've punched a hole in your gift tag, you're going to need something to attach it to your gift and cut off a piece, however long you want it to be. And I'm just going to twist it here so that I can get it through the gift tag's hole. So there you have it. There is one gift tag made from items from the Dollar Tree. The only thing that I didn't get from the Dollar Tree was the cardstock that I put on the back, but Dollar Tree often has paper that you could use for that. For this next tag, you will need one of these tags that are from Dollar Tree. They came in a set. They had a few different designs, but today I'm going to be using this one with the stripes, and it's one of the smaller gift tags. I'm also going to be using Dollar Tree's pipe cleaners in the colors red, gold, and green. You will also need some wire cutters. So the first thing we're going to do is cut some pipe cleaners the length of our gift tag. Now I've already cut one. I've cut this green one exactly the width of my gift tag. And I'm going to do the same thing using my wire cutters, of course, with my different colors. So let me show you the final touches. I'm just going to slide my pattern over and begin to glue it down with some hot glue gun. Alright, so if you have any that are kind of sticking out like I do, I didn't measure them properly, go ahead and take your wire cutters and just trim them off. So here is the second DIY Christmas gift tag with Dollar Tree products. Stay tuned for the next one. So today I'm using this striped Dollar Tree gift tag. I'm also going to be using this ribbon from Dollar Tree. It's called, it's just called satin ribbon, but it has these snowflakes on the side of it. It's red with gold snowflakes, and it is absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to be using that, only 2 strips that are the exact same width of my gift tag. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of these pieces of ribbon, and I'm going to be gluing them in between the stripes. Is I took some of that diamond gold wrap and I cut 4 strips. They're each 9 diamonds long, and I have 4 of them here, and I'm going to be gluing them to each side of my ribbon. This is so simple but so cute. The finished gift tag. I think it's absolutely beautiful. It's classic, which I love. I do kind of like the almost tacky Christmas decor at Christmas time, but this is so classic and I love that too, and it's gonna look so stunning next to, or on rather, a gold gift. Okay, so for this next DIY gift tag, I'm going to be using this paper from the Dollar Tree. I got this over the summer. It comes in different designs. Today I'm going to be using the striped. Set one of your circles aside. I'm going to take this green duct tape that we used as our stencil, and I'm going to take some off of here. I'm going to place this on like half of the circle. I'm making sure to not let the duct tape stick to the table. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut that off. Then I'm going to flip over my circle and cut out the shape. Duct tape is a little bit tricky to cut on. You just have to take it slow. Alright, so the next step, I'm going to be using these green and red sticker gems, or whatever you call them, from the Dollar Tree. I'm just going to be starting with the red one. Well, actually, a tip with these guys, if you want to use just one gem, you want to cut in between them because they have a plastic and they come off in strips. Like the whole strip comes off at once. But I'm going to be doing a pattern that's back and forth. So I just want one at a time. So I'm just going to do red and green all the way along. Now that we've got that step, let's do the next one. I'm just going to be taking this green pipe cleaner, of course from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to put green on both sides and start with that. Of course, using some wire cutters. Now I'm going to take 2 red of the same kind, the same length. up some of these, but I am going to go ahead and glue them on with my hot glue. Just gonna set them aside. It's kind of a lot, but it is Christmas. So I'm going to go ahead and take this cute little bow from Dollar Tree, and I am going to put this on here. I'm just going to go ahead and trim off the little twisty wire things. Just a little dab of hot glue, or a lot of dab. And then I'm going to just go ahead and place that on there. Alright, so now we need to make this an ornament. And how do we do that? Well, we need some more pipe cleaner from the Dollar Tree, of course. I'm just going to take this pipe cleaner and I'm going to bend it in the shape of the top of an ornament, whatever you call that part. You'll know what I mean when you see what I'm doing here. So now I've got this shape, trim it so that both of like these little feet are the same length. Go ahead and take my tag that I have so far and flip it upside down, keeping in mind where I want my top to be. And I'm going to take a couple little dabs of hot glue on my gold pipe cleaner top right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and place it on the top. Sorry, my hand was in the way. Hot glue it down. Don't worry, you're not going to be able to see this because that's why we have another circle. And I'm going to go ahead and take a whole bunch of hot glue just because it's a little bit thicker. And I'm going to hot glue this down. You could use regular glue, but this is just faster and I'm kind of lazy. Green ribbon from the Dollar Tree. I can use that to attach it to a gift. And here it is, an Ornament gift tag using Dollar Tree products. I got one of these tags and I'm going to show you what I do with it. Using this sparkly ribbon from the Dollar Tree. I'm just going to keep saying the Dollar Tree because literally everything's from the Dollar Tree. And this red sparkly ribbon, you already know what I'm going to say. I'm also going to be using this ribbon that says "Have a Holly Jolly Christmas" on it. We're going to be using the words off of that one. And then I'm going to be using the classic silver diamond wrap from Dollar Tree. Alright, so let me show you what I'm going to be doing with with all of this stuff. So first I'm going to start by taking red and green strips of this ribbon, just measuring across. I want to be able to cut out the shape of the card, so I'm going to do it a little bit bigger. And I'm just going to start cutting this, and then I'll be gluing it and then cutting out the shape, and then I'll show you the next step. But for now, let me see. First step, I'm going to go ahead and glue this. I don't know if you can tell, but there's a slight little space here where I can still see the gold. So I want to glue this first strip a little bit a ways from the end. Alright, so once we're done with this step, let's go ahead and cut out that shape. Alright, so what I did next was I cut out the words, have a holly jolly Christmas. I cut them out separately and I arranged them on my card, my tag. Now I'm going to go ahead and glue them exactly where you see them. Obviously you could put them in whatever order or whatever design you wanted. This is how I'm going to do it, and then I'll show you what I do next after I glue these. So what I did next was I went ahead and I took this diamond wrap, of course from Dollar Tree, and I cut out 8 strips of 3 little diamonds and 1 strip of 11 diamonds long and 1 strip of 10 diamonds. And I'm just going to glue them in this design. I wanted to put them all the way around the word Christmas, but I thought that it was more aesthetically pleasing, to my eye at least, to just do the diamonds on the side of is this final DIY Dollar Tree Christmas tag. I am absolutely in love with how this turned out. I think it is so cute. It reminds me of like an elf, and I just think it's so cute for Christmas. So I hope that you enjoyed this. Thanks so much for watching the video. Don't forget to pounce on that like button and hit subscribe. See you next time. Have a wonderfully perfect day.